Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon cat surprise fold. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon cat surprise fold, I'm going to take my paper and line up the corners, and we're just going to fold it in half. And we just want to press down right here. Now we have a birthday card. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to line up the corners. I'm going to fold it down and just press it down like this. Now I'm going to only open up one section of it. And the reason I do that is because now I have two little lines, and this tells me where I need to keep everything inside when I draw. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the head of Cartoon Cat. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a long line that's going to go up and down like a big smiley face, or sad face, excuse me. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come down in that big sad face shape. Now starting here, I'm going to draw these lines down just a tiny bit. Next we're going to come down, and we're going to come up like this to connect it. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. Next, let's begin with the ears. So starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and it's going to come down. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go up to a point, and we'll bring it down for the ear. Now inside of here, we're going to make that same shape, so we'll draw one in here, and then we'll draw another one over here. Next, I want to draw the mouth of Cartoon Cat. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up to this side. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then back up in like a smile. Kind of looks like a big jelly bean too. Now right here at the top of the mouth, I'm going to draw the nose. So to do that, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down, and then we're going to go up and then down again. Next, we're going to make the eyes. So starting right here above the mouth, I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves up and down, and then another one over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come down here. And same thing here, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to come down. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and another one here. We're going to go up, and we're going to come down here. Our next step is to draw the teeth. So the first thing I'm going to do is, starting right here, I'm going to make some big, bumpy, sad face lines right across the top here. So I'm just going to draw some big, bumpy lines that just come right across the top for some teeth. And we'll draw one right to there. Next we'll do the same thing here, but we're going to make big smiley faces. So we're just going to come down and up. And we want to make the same amount of teeth in here. So we'll just come right to here. Now, once we have that drawn, we want to open up the mouth. So when we open it up, we have two halves of our cartoon cat. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to make the teeth. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw some long, kind of sharp teeth on here. So I'm going to do this all the way across. We're just going to make some long, kind of sharp, pointy teeth for our cartoon cat. Now I know he mostly has just kind of flat teeth, but I thought some long, pointy, sharp teeth would be more fun. So we're going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to make some long, kind of sharp, pointy teeth for our cartoon cat. Next I want to give him a crazy long tongue. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a long, kind of wavy line. And then we're just going to bring it back here, making it a little bit wider as it comes back. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And I'll make another one that's going to come down here. And we're going to go right to this part just to connect it. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to draw a line that comes down. And there you go. There is your drawing of your cartoon cat surprise fold. So when we have it all closed up, we have our little cartoon cat smiling. And then when we open it up, we have our big crazy mouth with crazy tongue and teeth. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.